Hello, my name is Brian from Horizon Support and Training, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how a client would pay online for an inspection. To get started, you'll need to send the client a confirmation email, and be sure that Include a link to your contract is selected. Once your client receives the confirmation email, they'll click on the link to open your contract. Your client will have an opportunity to read through the inspection agreement before accepting and providing payment. With their name entered, your client will click I have read, understood, and accept the terms of this agreement before clicking Submit. Your client will then be thanked and be able to provide payment through the Pay Invoice Online by credit card link. At the invoice screen, your client will enter their payment information, including full name, credit card number, expiry, verification code, billing address, and zip or postal code. They'll then click Buy Now to process the transaction. They'll receive a receipt showing paid in full once the transaction is complete. They can also use the Print or Save Copy option to retain a copy of the receipt before closing the window. As the inspector, you'll receive an email indicating payment has been made. This concludes our tutorial. If you require further assistance, please feel free to create a support ticket, give us a call, or send an email. We're always here to help.